Rolling.
Cool, so I'm here with Peter. We're at WeWork. Peter's from New York, is that right? Yeah. We're going to do a muscle test. A muscle test is where you use your body's strength and nervous system to tell you whether you're reacting to a certain substance or not. So we're going to do a test with Peter's mobile phone. So Peter, if I could get you to just go like that, behind your back. Yeah, make a little pouch for me, and then I'll just push into that and you resist. See how strong you are, that's good. Nice and strong, so now we're just going to put his mobile phone, which is turned on, into his pocket. Okay. Yeah, same thing. Same thing. So you see something's happened there. Basically, there's an imbalance in radioactive frequency that comes in from your phone, and your cells are normally in a nice, healthy balance. And there's a conflict there. There's a stress between the energy of the mobile phone and the energy in your cells. So now we're going to put the Omnia Radiation Balancer onto the phone. So this is just a little sticker, you can see here, containing conscious creation energy. And we're just going to put that on the phone. Like so. Do the same test. Push it down. Yeah. And he's good as strong. See that? Yeah, right. So you felt stronger? Yeah. And how did you feel when you lost your balance?
Not great, because I thought I was going to fall.
Yeah, right. So that's what it does. There's a lot of physics behind this, but it's difficult to prove from a scientific point of view because science is all about blood, bones, flesh, matter, that sort of thing. But there's an energy equation that needs to be observed, and that's what we're trying to do here. Even though it's just anecdotal, it's kind of a bit of fun, but it's also real, right? Anyway, thanks a lot.
So why did that happen? This is a body of naturally balanced human cells, and we're going to draw them with a pointer into one of your 7 trillion cells, which is represented by a circle. And the circle has a green point in the middle, which is the 0 point, and then the yellow lines represent light rings that pass around the 0 point. So in a healthy human cell, the 0 point is aligned to the geometric center because the light rings that expand and compress around it are in balance. And this balance at a cellular level denotes natural order and well-being. If the body comes into contact with a radiating device carrying a high level of imbalanced wave fields, such as a phone, and we've drawn another circle here representing an imbalanced wave field. So what is an imbalanced wave field? Well, a characteristic of atoms which are radiating is that the light rings that circumvent the 0 point are imbalanced, and this pulls the 0 point away from the geometric center. So these atoms have imbalanced wave fields. So what happens is that the human cells become imbalanced too. So why does that happen? Well, the law of resonance dictates that the human cells start to vibrate in the same rhythm as the radiating cells. This happens on a subtle level that you may not feel every moment, but that's exactly what you see in the muscle test.
Same thing.
So what is this doing to us? Well, it's impossible to say how it will affect you personally because everyone's different. Everyone's actually different from minute to minute because your body is always changing. But we also know that there's only about 1 person that has shown resistance in the muscle test. So we know that it's a truth for most people. But one thing's for sure, which is that it's not desirable. If you pictured yourself in 2 years' time, having put your mobile in your pocket, experiencing that level of weakness for that 2 years, then that's not a good thing. And it's happening all the time that your mobile is in your pocket or in your hand. Most people are constantly exposed to massive volumes of these imbalanced wave fields, and they don't give much rest to their cells. If you looked at the Bioinitiative report, there were 2,000 studies on rats mainly, stating that biological effects on the cell, the human cell, the rat cell, happened at about 3.5 to 6 microwatts per square meter, which is the volume of radiation energy there is per square meter. And we've measured peaks of 1500 microwatts per meter squared in our office, which is a huge amount. That's 500 times the level at which biological effects start to happen. So our summary and our conclusion on this is that until you take action, you are at risk. So if you agree. So we're just going to have a quick word about how the Omnia Radiation Balancer works. There's a lot more detail on our website. At the atomic level, our conscious nanotechnology process returns the radiation to a balanced rhythm. The motion of the light waves, the expansion and the compression oscillation, is returned to equilibrium, meaning the expansion is equal to the compression. That means that the 0 points of all the atoms are returned to alignment with the geometric center, which we've mentioned before is the foundation for well-being and balance in nature. So therefore, the previously radiating device is now in resonance with the human body. And you see that effect on the muscle test when the body strengthens up.
Same test.
So visit omniabalance.life today and you can bring balance back to your body. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel because we'll be posting more videos soon.